I wanted to fix something simple today, so this is a stupid fan that stops spinning when the cable is in some weird angle somewhere. I can't figure out where it doesn't make contact. At the plug, it's fine. It's crimped in two places, so I doubt there's a problem there. And it it doesn't seem damaged and it goes inside here. So what I'm going to do is take some wires from an old power supply and replace this crap what's here. So this is an included fan. This was in a computer case. It's called Sirius. Yeah, look that up. They look okay. Oh, I can't. I can't take off the fan. What the hell? Why did they do this? Oh boy. So I have to use force, or how do you get this off? Just force? I'm willing to break it. Oh boy. It's out with everything. That's funny. It came out with the bearing. Is it a bearing? Yes, it is. Okay. Okay, it is. So I think I'll just take off this plastic thing. This is holding it in. I don't know why this didn't come off first. That's funny. It's been a while since I took apart a fan. Oh, and this is a 12 centimeter fan. And look how interesting it is. The magnet should be big, I mean the motor, but instead they filled it with these things here, plastic tabs. And look, even here there's space left. So they put a small motor in a big fan. Yeah, so it rotates really slowly at 12 volts. So that's kind of understandable why. Now that I took it apart. Come on, let me make a fool of myself with the cutter. Come on! I'm cutting the magnet here. That's not good. Come on! I used to be able to take this off. I think it's off. Okay. Yep. So we can put this back. It's kind of oily or greasy. It should be. That's not a problem. But yeah, let me see how far I have to push it back. Like that. Maybe a bit more. Oop. Yeah, that's good, I think. Okay, so that part is clear. It was held in by that stupid ring. And oh, we can't get this off. Can we get this off? We can't. That's kind of stupid. We can. Wait. This comes off. This comes off. That's surprising. Okay. That's good. I'm beginning to not hate this fan so much. Maybe if I can get the wire out here, then I won't hate it. Come on out. Okay, it's out. Perfect. So This is kind of interesting. It has 4 pads, but they are not really separated, just a minus and a positive, negative and positive. Here's the model of the fan XFY AD25. Oh boy, this is even this is funny. This is a part from a 8 centimeter fan. So they admit it. Okay. Yeah. But it's not a real problem. Cost saving, and if it's only turning slowly, it's not a problem. Okay. So now it's easy. Just cut off solder it off. I don't mind doing a little soldering. Like here and here. And let's strip the wire for positive. Strip our finger, yes. Man, I don't know why this wire is so delicate. I cut off a lot of hairs, strands. I have to do it carefully. Come on. Yeah, now it's better. Let's solder both ends and both wires. Yeah, the black wire. Like that. And yeah. I did get some grease on there, so that's not really good. But yeah, this is not so important. Oh boy. Let's get some paste here. Not paste, what do you call this? I don't know what you call it. It cleans the metals, allegedly. But there's something on this tip. Oh, I melted plastic with it. Now I remember. That's why it's it's like that. Oh boy. Now it's better. Oh boy. Yeah. Melting plastic is not good for the tip. Yeah, this is fine. Let's get the red one. This is actually better wire. So this is from an ATX power supply. 24 strands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, just 20. But these are good copper wires. From an old power supply that no longer works. Yep. Oh, and the wire fell down. Where's the black wire? What did you do? What did I do? Yep, it's gone. And the... Oh boy. Why am I doing this? So, can I find the black wire in the dark? Nope. Let's get a new one. That's easy. Okay. So just cut off black wire from here. No worries. Let's see the length. Perfect almost. Yeah. strip it. I'll put the link in for this fan if I can find it, at least for the brand or for the computer case, because this is interesting. Really cheap case, good looking case, and interesting fan, also silent, so yeah, and it's serviceable. That's another thing. I don't know how many fans I took apart and they just broke. So yeah, okay. Now do I have the red wire and the black wire? Yep. So let's put them on here. Red wire to positive. And black wire to negative. And we'll find out that this wasn't even the problem, as it goes when you're trying to repair something late at night. Yeah. So like that. This has to come out over here. This is kind of interesting that they just put it together like that. In the old days, you couldn't even get fans taken apart. So let's go here. So maybe I could change the electronics here if I really wanted to, from a PWM fan where the bearings are gone and it's a small fan. I could just replace the electronics and have a PWM fan that could spin faster, and yeah, maybe I'll try that next time. Okay, this is fine. Let's see if it spins. I prepared just a simple power supply here somewhere, if I can find it. Yeah, plug it in. So the positive is the brown one, the negative is blue. Haha, I messed up something there. Definitely. That's not how it's supposed to sound. So I think this has to go in more, the bearing. Nope, it can't. Hmm. This is this is interesting. So the electronics should go further. No. Oh boy, this is embarrassing. This is really bad. But oh, I don't know what. Yeah, I need to put something there on the. It rubs. The plastic is rubbing to the bearing, and yeah, I need to put something there, but it's working, and I just connect it to this modular, I don't know what, plug that comes apart. Yeah, I don't know what they did here. So yeah, links in the description, hopefully.